Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, I will show you how to transform your picture to the picture with 3D dispersion in Photoshop. So, I have made this video because there are a lot of newbies that want to transform their photos, but they don't know how to use Photoshop. In Photoshop, there are a lot of tools. If you are not Photoshop users, you will not found an easy way to do it. Okay? I have written an article tutorial how to achieve this here, but I will show you step by step. This is the purpose of this video, how to read this tutorial and how you will find all the menu, action, etc., etc., and the tool. Okay? So it is for newbie, for person who never used Photoshop, that they want to transform their photo or picture to 3D dispersion or any other type for next action, inshallah. So let's do it step by step, and we achieve what we want. So in Photoshop, here is the initial photo that I will transform. Okay? The first thing is to check if your Photoshop is in English or no. It is the first thing. It's very, very important. I will make a video to check it, or to transform your Photoshop in English version if it is not the case, because Photoshop, when you install Adobe Suite, it is installed with your main language. It depends on your computer. So if it is not in English, Google it, how to transform Photoshop in English version. Now, after this, check if it is photo in RGB mode or no. To do this, go to the image menu and go to the mode. Where is the image menu? Before this, we must check if it is in RGB color and also in 8 bytes channel. So we will go to the image and mode. I go to Photoshop. Here is the image menu, and here I have mode, and I have it is in RGB color and 8-byte channel. Good. What is the next step? Make sure that the option add copy to copied layer and groups is turned on. Where? Here you will go to the panel layers panel. Where is the layers panel? Layers panel is here. Here is it. Here is the layers panel. Here is it, layers panel. Now, go to the panel option. Where is the panel option? From the menu icon, I will show you, don't worry. Here is it, menu icon, here is it, and go to the panel option. And here, as you can see, add copy to copy layers, it is checked. Good. Cancel or OK. Next step. I will use the photo with 72 dpi or higher. To check this, you can increase if it is not the case. You must go to the image menu and image size, and you can increase the resolution value. I will go to the image size, so image menu and image size, and as you can see, the resolution for me, it is good, 72. If it is not the case, just type the desired number here, 718, as you want. Now I will set the opacity of the brush to 100%. Brush is a tool. It is a tool here. I will show you. So I will go to the brush tool. Here is the brush. Here is it. Here is it. This icon. You see, here is it. I click here, and I got new panel here. I go to the opacity. It is for me 100%. It is good. If it doesn't the case, just type 100%. Okay? So here is brush tool. I repeat. Let's continue. Now we have checked all what we want. Now we can go to the project that we have downloaded, or the file we have downloaded, and we make all this action. So open your image. I have opened it here. Okay, go to the file, open, and search your image in your computer. Just from here, file, open. or you can drag and drop your image directly to the Photoshop. Now, what is the next step? The next step is open 3D Dispersion brush file. Okay, you can go from here, from this menu, edit preset, or you can do directly. I will show you. I go to the folder that I have downloaded. Here I have 3D Dispersion brush, this one. I can just double click and it will be installed in Photoshop. Just double click. Okay, we continue. After this, I will install also 3D Dispersion pattern file. Just maybe making a double click. I have do it before. Just double click here, and the same thing. You will make the action. You will load the action, and so action you will find it in this folder. Action, and just double click. I have do it before because I have made the double click. I will got double. You will see it. Make double click, and you will see what I got. So here I will go to the action menu, window action, window action, and as you can see it is in double. Where is it? I have do it before. Okay, so I just delete this one also. Like I delete it, and I delete this action also because I have installed it before. Here is our action. Here is it. 3D Dispersion Photoshop action. Okay. What we have also. Now we will start to make our step. Now I will create a new layer and I will name it area, and I will not use CapsLock. Step by step. Oops, how to create layer now. It is in the same time a Photoshop course. How to create new layer. I will go to the Photoshop. Here is the layer panel, remember, and to add a new layer or to create new layer, just click in the sign plus here. And I have my layer 1, new layer. The next step, I will rename it in area. How to rename this layer to area? Just double click in the layer 1 and write area. Do not use caps lock. The caps lock is this one. Here is the caps lock. And if what does it mean? The layer do not lock it. It don't look in here in this icon. So here it is locked. No, I don't need it. Do not use this. Okay, let it like this. It's very important because the action will work in this layer. We continue. Now I will use the paint tool to color the area that I want to make the 3D dispersion. The paint tool or the brush tool, it is the same thing here. Where is the brush tool? I have shown you before. And you can choose any color. What does it mean? Here I have the color green. Do you see this color? The foreground color. We have two colors, foreground and background. So I have the green color. Choose any type of color that you want. So click here and choose the color, desired color that you want. For me, I will not choose black because I will make, for example, from here. So to make the paint not the same color as that I have in the picture, I will choose another one to be more visible. So I will choose, for example, this one. Okay, this one, like this. And okay, good. Now here is the paint tool. It is the brush tool. Same thing. I have it. And now you must be sure, I repeat, you must be sure that the selected layer is this one. You must select this layer, area. It's very, very important. So here in this case it is not selected. So I select the area panel and now I will paint the area that I want to make the 3D dispersion. For example, let's start. For example, just my head, like this. I push the mouse in the mouse and I let my button pushed and I continue. I brush what I want. Just for example, for my, as you can see, for my head. You see? Like this. This is part. Oops. My new hat. This is my hat. Yeah. If I want, I can do for like this or this one also. If I want, what I can do for the boat. Like for example, from here. For example, it is an example, huh? Like this. This part. For example, but I focus only for my here. So I will delete this one. So I want just to get the 3D dispersion from this part. If you want to paint another area, you push your finger from the mouse and you click again in the desired area and you paint the desired area. Okay? So I let it for my here. The next step, what is it? Now you have finished. You just go to the, I go from here, you will find the action in the menu action. Okay? So we have into action, remember, window, action, and here is action, and you will find, come back, I will search my action, which is 3D dispersion. I will open it from this button arrow. Sorry. Now, I have three types. From which direction I want to get my 3D dispersion? In the right, in the left, in the up, or on the... I will choose the left for me. From the left side. Here, you have choose. Now, you just click in the button play, this one. And now, the action will be start. And you will see we got some errors, but don't worry about this. We got some message. I will show you. The action will be very, very long. When I show you some message how to treat with them, I will make the pause for the video and I will come back when the action finished. Here the action start. As you can see, here is the type of image. Here what you will do, do not make stop. This image we got it a lot of time. Okay? Yes, it's annoying, but be patient. Make continue. Continue again. Continue. Continue. Make continue. So now I make pause for the video and we come back when you finish. So here is the final result. When the action finished, you got your result, and as you can see, there are a lot of new layers that have been added here. Lot of. Okay. So of course there has been added automatically by the action. So don't worry about this. So here is the final result. Now, as I said here, you can change some setting if you want. You must, of course, the action will be take some minute. It depends of your power of your computer, of course. And what does it mean here? Change your final composition using proposed setting. I will show you this. Also, I come back. I hope that Photoshop doesn't work. I hope. Come back, please. So here is all the setting, but Photoshop, I think it will be stopped now. Good. So here is all the setting. What you can do, for example, go here to the color adjustment or this one, particle adjustment. Okay. Here I can change the color of this particle. How to do this? Here, as you can see, it is red, but I can't see the red here in the picture. Why? Because it is not enabled. This layer, it is not enabled. To enable it, I must get the eye here. To get the eye, just click here. As you can see, it will be transformed in the red. Look, difference. Do you see now the difference? It is in the red. I have some problem with my Photoshop, but I come back. It is not put in the red, please. It is not synchronized. I am just waiting. Where is it? It is very, very long. My computer becomes very, very long. Good. To change the color, double click here in the red and choose any other color, for example the green, and I choose this one. Do you see? You can see directly the result from here. The blue, it's very well blue, I like it. Or no, this one no, but the blue, it's very interested with we see it's very interested with the river, sorry. So I put OK, and I have to use the color. If I don't want the color, I will use the color that are defined in my picture. I can let it like this by default. You can play with another adjustment like this. Just go to the any panel and click here to see what you will got, for example. And do you see? You have a lot of options. You can check and uncheck to see the result, etc., etc. When you finish, to export your picture, go to the file, export, and you can export it. I recommend it to the JPG, not PNG. So export as, and here choose the desired quality. You can edit it to 100%, it's a very high quality. But you can see here is the size that we got, 2.8 for me, yeah. Or you can reduce the quality if you see that the picture is very big. You can reduce, for example, to 80 or etc. And you will see the size will be reduced. You see? And you click the export to get your picture. Good. So we have achieved this video. I will give you the link to the website, and you must send an email. It's very important because I can't upload them in the host website. Just send an email with title 3D Dispersion Action Photoshop, and I will send you the link to download directly, without ads, without anything else, directly the file. Thank you a lot, brothers and sisters, to have followed this video until this moment. I hope that you will like this Photoshop action. See you for another video, inshallah. Action, Illustrator, I don't know. I'll continue the course about PowerPoint. Subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friends. Show me your result in the comment. Show me, yeah, I want to see your picture. Result in the comment. And follow me on Instagram. I will share this picture on Instagram. Teams.winners and Faisal.cheku. I will share it in Faisal.cheku, inshallah, because Teams.winners is for the code. And also follow me in Telegram, Real Practice and Share. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.